Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll be diving into the clear framework for editing AI blog posts. I'm Candace, and I'm excited to walk you through this process because this is the exact process that we use here at Bramework to create compelling content for our blog. So let's jump right in so I can show you how we do it. So we'll be using this blog post, 7 Best Insurance Affiliate Programs, Easy Money for You. First up in our clear framework is C, which is to cut unnecessary content. Let's take a look at the original blog post and identify areas where we can trim unnecessary content to make it more concise. For example, the introduction starts with, "Hey there, savvy earners and digital marketers." It's catchy, but let's cut down on the fluff for brevity. For example, I could write, "Hey there, savvy bloggers," and I could condense these two sentences into one. Looking for the best insurance affiliate programs to boost your earnings, your inbox. And of course, I could do that all through this blog post. Next is L in our clear framework, which stands for linking to internal and external authoritative sources. You want to make sure that you include external links and internal links, which will also build trust and credibility for your readers. Now, on to the letter E, we can enhance our blog post with images, videos, or visuals throughout our blog posts because visuals enhance engagement. Right now, we just have a whole bunch of text. Personally, I like to add at least one visual image for each H2 heading. Bramework makes it super easy for us. All we have to do is figure out where we want to insert our image, click on the image icon, and do a search for an image that's relevant for this section. Since the name of this company is called Lemonade, it would be great to have some imagery about lemons. And of course, we can continue doing this throughout our post. Next is the letter A in craft, which is to assure factual correctness. It's crucial to maintain credibility. And so we need to ensure that all the information in our blog post is accurate. To fact check anything in your blog post, again, Bramework makes that easy for us. We can highlight the content that we want to fact check, click on More, and select Fact Check. It may take up to a minute depending on the information, so we'll just wait for the AI assistant to give us the result. And it looks like the claim is correct. And if you want to do some further research, you can click on the evidences and look at all of the information that the AI assistant pulled. Sources is online. If there are any other statements that we need to fact check, you can continue to do the same. Lastly, R is for refined tone for audience trust, which can include your personal story in the tone of your blog posts. For example, there is a paragraph here about USAA, which I'm very familiar with as a military spouse. Therefore, I could insert something personal about my experience with USAA as a military spouse, that support for military communities extends beyond insurance. And so we're going to correct this really quick. And as I continue to edit, if there are other opportunities for me to insert my story or change the tone to reflect more of my conversational style, I will find opportunities to do that as well. It brings an added touch to connect with the audience and maintain a consistent tone throughout. And there you have it. By using the clear framework in our AI writing process, it's transformed our blog at Bramework into engaging pieces of content. And we know by using the framework in your AI writing process, it will do the same for you. Until next time, happy blogging.